How to solve black screen with cursor in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to solve the black screen with cursor in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. First, you need to unplug and reconnect your video cables. Disconnect and reconnect all of your video cables like HDMI, DVI, DisplayPort, or VGA. Try blowing gently into the ports to clear any dust or other debris that might be interfering with the connection. Once you've done that, you can try with a different cable if that doesn't fix. But even if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next method. You can launch your Windows Startup Automatic Repair screen. So to launch your Windows Startup Automatic Repair screen, what you need to do is just simply restart your PC several times. Doing this repeatedly will launch the Windows Startup Automatic Repair screen. Click on Restart. If it doesn't fix the black screen issue, repeat this step and select the Advanced options. Once you select the Advanced option, you need to go with System Restore. Under System Restore, once it opens, select a System Restore point that's a few days old or from a period before you started having black screen issues. And after that, hit the Next, then wait for Windows to restore all necessary files and return to working order. In some cases, you might need to reinstall an application or an update that you installed after the restore point and before you got the black screen on Windows. So that's how you can fix it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.